we're driving down a ramp, not into the ocean.
But we could.
But we
Take the
could.
ferry park or check out
Then
the ferry.
we would
disembark from the ferry.
Be cold.
really be in bad shape with the car situation, which we just got a new car. So we're not going to do that. We're going to turn right here and get on this ferry. They're going to find us a spot. Oh yeah, more people will get on. That bus will get on. We're going to go right behind them. Alright.
Here we go. On our way to La Isla Chiloé. Is this cool?
Yeah.
We're driving our car onto a boat?
Well, we're on Chiloé Island and we are driving. Jeff is driving.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm not driving.
We're driving a car that works. We just finished the ferry, but we're driving to Castro to go meet up with our friends,
We're almost down to the turn off.
find some lunch because we're all hungry. Ooh, there's the ocean.
Well, over 24 hours.
Wow. Look at that.
Seagulls! They have them here too. And that's the ocean.
The Pacific Ocean.
And more islands out there.
There goes that sassy walk. Where do you want to go?
To the waterfall.
Let's go. I think it's actually made out of glass. These churches on Chiloé Island are all made of wood. Cool wood doors. Peek inside.